Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on a new project. We're going to be staging this home here in Santa Barbara to help get it ready to sell.
It is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath house and is a little over 2,700 square feet, and it's located near Butterfly Beach in Montecito.
Our main goal is just to make it look a little more homey, and we're going to try and give it an airy, slightly more beachy vibe. So basically what we did was go room by room and remove anything that we felt didn't fit with the vision that we were going for. We replaced some furniture throughout the house and then came in with our decorative accents, rugs, new art and plants to really add some color and warmth to all the interior spaces. The most transformed is probably the living room. Before there was all those dark colors, the reds and dark blues, and now having the aqua blues kind of playing throughout the whole room, it really helps to open it up and make it feel more airy and beachy, and I just think it's fresh when you go in there.
Outdoors, we planted a few of the garden beds and added some potted container gardens, which really help liven up the exterior of the house.
We also added a couple pretty fountains to try and cut down on the freeway noise a little bit and create a more relaxing atmosphere.
I think the garden bed at the front of the house really looks a lot better now. Before there were a few bushes and shrubs, and now when you drive in it just looks a lot cleaner and a lot more colorful.
I'd probably say my most favorite thing in the house is the living room rug. I really like the color of it and how big it is.
For me, it is the outdoor couch. I just really like the modern style of it, and it just really makes the patio more inviting.
For me, the biggest takeaways, and I think we can probably both agree on this one, is that the plants really do make the biggest difference. Both inside and outside, they really just help to liven up the spaces, and they make the home feel more welcoming and inviting. Another big takeaway, I think, is that it's really good to have a clear vision or vibe that you're trying to achieve. It just really helps when you're choosing things for each room, and then it also creates a nice flow as you go throughout the house, room to room.
All in all, we're pretty happy with how this house turned out. We're currently working on some more home and garden projects, so be on the lookout for those soon, and we'll catch you in the next video.